Hello everyone, welcome to the SPX, the S&P 500 price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And as you can see that the S&P is still moving for higher while the Nasdaq is moving for lower after hitting the blue box for Nasdaq. As we know that the SPX is always in lag and of course following Nasdaq, but very slowly. So it is of course a one step always behind. As you can see, it's the turtle here, and we still see of course that's still seeking after of course this blue box, and preferably to see it of course. However, it doesn't matter anymore. We see it already finished almost as a triangle here, and basically we are looking towards the downside potentially of course after hitting of course as this blue box. We're gonna see what's gonna happen of course after one more high, potentially hitting the 0.618 5,977, and looking again for a wave 2 after finishing here a wave 1. Now of course we have to readjust our wave 2 with the new highs. As you can see, we see the wave 2 is moving toward the upside. Of course, as well, for the timing is shifting as well with all this this time needed of course for to finish this impulse as a wave 1. So basically the timing right now is shifting to this area, and here we go. So this is a minimum of course target here at 0.38 fib time and 0.38 fib level, 5,500. Very psychological and nice to see. All right guys, so basically this is what I'm looking for here. And don't forget, if we overshoot this fib level to 1-to-1 fib level, which is very low possibility currently, and despite all the news that we heard during the week, and of course about the downgrade, credit downgrade, whatever, this is of course simply the fuel for the market to move toward the downside for a wave 2, very simply, okay, and then moving as a 1-2. So let's downgrade this count here. We are looking of course at almost finished leading diagonal as a wave 1. And we are seeking after a big wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. Okay, so this is what we are looking for right now. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Higher potential of course to move for the downside, and a low possibility to move of course, and taking this 1-to-1 fib level right now. I see a finished structure as an ABC zigzag, a very extended wave C, and then moving for lower. Yep, that was it for the SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.